Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Singapore Airlines account on PC. Singapore Airlines is a flag carrier of Republic of Singapore and is one of the world's best airlines. To log in Singapore Airlines on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type www.singaporeair.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Singapore Airlines. Now, here you can see login option at top right section of the website. Click on login option. Then you can see the login box. Now here you can log in through three process. First is KrisFlyer/PPS Club account, another is registered customer, and another is High Flyer. I am going to log in through my KrisFlyer/PPS Club option. So first enter your KrisFlyer number or your email address that you have used to create your Singapore Airlines account. Then enter your correct password of your account. After that, if you want your information to be remembered, then you can click on Remember Me box so that it will be helpful for you to log in next time. Now, if you want to reset your password, then click on Reset Password. If you forgot your membership number, then you can click on Forgot your KrisFlyer membership number. Similarly, if you are not a KrisFlyer member, then you can click on Join Now to create a new account. With that, after entering all your credentials, click on Login. After clicking on Login, you'll be logged in to your KrisFlyer account. With that, you'll be logged into your Singapore Airlines account. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is how we can log in Singapore Airlines account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.